So you're thinking about cruising solo? Let me stop you right there. It's not just a good idea, it's a freaking brilliant one. Here's why. 1. Freedom, baby. Want to sleep until noon or get up at dawn to watch the sunrise? Guess what? No one's there to tell you otherwise. Your schedule, your rules. 2. Balcony bliss. Imagine this. You, a comfy deck chair, and the ocean breeze. No one asking, what should we do next? Just you, chilling like a boss. 3. Meet new people or don't. Feeling social? Go mingle. Feeling antisocial? Stay on your balcony. When you cruise solo, the choice is 100% yours. 4. The buffet is all yours. No need to pretend you want a salad when you really want that third slice of cheesecake. Indulge without judgment. 5. No one's schedule but yours. Ever had a travel buddy who needs to plan every minute of the day? Yeah, not on this trip. You're free from anyone else's agenda. 6. Self-reflection like a pro. Staring at the ocean has a way of making you think deep thoughts. Who needs therapy when you've got the Atlantic? 7. The spa, uninterrupted. No one's rushing you out of that massage. Enjoy your me time without a single care in the world. 8. Potential for romance. What if you bump into the love of your life at the bar? It's a cruise, a love story waiting to happen, right? 9. Become the mysterious solo traveler. Nothing says intriguing like a person confidently cruising solo. You'll be the talk of the ship, guaranteed. And finally, 10. Because you can. Why? Because you're a badass who doesn't need anyone to have the time of your life. That's why. So if you're still debating it, stop. Book that solo cruise and own it. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.